Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add cash in Uber Wallet. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Uber app. Once you open Uber app, you simply need to click on account in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on wallet, and here you need to click on add funds. Here you have two options: one time purchase, auto refill. Click on one time purchase, and then you need to click on select payment and click on add payment method, and here you need to click on credit or debit card and fill out your card detail. Or after that you need to go back and select any amount from the top, or you can add amount according to your choice, and after that you need to click on confirm. So this is a process by which you can add cash in Uber Wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.